Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Val if you are new here, and today I'll be reviewing or trying out some new hair that I got from Ali Pearl. They sent it over in that pretty gold box. I just love anything gold. And here are all the goodies that came inside just to help me lay this wig. So here's the bag that you can obviously store it in, and here is the wig. So of course I got a large cap size because one, I have a lot of hair, and two, I don't cornrow my hair. I just leave it in a low bun, and you guys will see that a little bit later. But this hair, you guys, this hairline is immaculate. Like so clean. This is a 5x5 lace closure, and the hair is 22 inches long. Nice and straight, super silky and smooth. The hair is really soft, you guys, like I can't stop touching it. And I want to say this is the first time I've ever tried a wear and go wig that's like bone straight. So I'm really excited to see what that looks like. And of course there's a band to help secure the wig, and there's two combs, one on the crown, one on the nape. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys again what the hairline looks like. It's really clean, pre-plucked, natural, realistic looking. So yeah, I'm excited to see what this looks like. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. I'm currently stretching my relaxer, and I managed to get my hair in a nice snug low bun just to keep everything nice and neat, and of course securing it with a wig cap, so that really helps. And I always like to just push my wig caps back a little bit. I don't like to keep it right at the hairline, just so it looks a little bit more realistic. And what I like to do, I like to take my foundation and just lightly tint the lace. That way it's the same color as my skin tone. That way you can't really differentiate between the lace and my skin. So this really helps to just blend everything together so it's a nice seamless finish. So as I mentioned before, this is a large wig cap, and I typically like to go on the larger side because I don't cornrow my hair. I always do a low bun underneath my wigs. That way I don't have to manipulate my hair too much to wear a protective style, and I can easily take care of my hair once I take off the wig. Okay, so in my opinion, this is looking pretty good. It looks pretty natural, but let's take it up a notch. So right now I'm just lightly taking my setting powder and just blending the lace a little bit further into my skin. That way it looks more natural, and so far I'm impressed. So now I take my Cream of Nature foaming mousse, and I just take a couple pumps of this. And what this does, it really helps to just melt the lace into my skin a little bit. It just fuses everything together. So what I do is I just take a couple dabs around the hairline, and then I smooth it around the crown area just to take away any flyaways and to just make it lay flatter. Okay, so now I'm going to melt the lace. This is what I call melting, the beginner way, and or without glue, I should say. So I'm going to use the Ali Pearl wig band and just kind of set everything in place so that while I'm flat ironing, it's doing its thing, and it's just going to fuse the lace into my skin and just make it nice and flawless.
This ain't what you used to. I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be whole, though I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, lil' baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my rider. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep right when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget, let's remind them. Be my rider. All gas, no way they can never pace us. No way they could never break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up. This ain't what you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be whole, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Yeah. Dripping wetter from head to toe, la baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my rider. All gas, no way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look and I'm so happy with how everything turned out. This hair is quality. It is so beginner friendly to install this wig. You have no idea. And most importantly, there's no glue. There's no spray. It's wear and go. It's ready to wear and I love that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video.